Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact ChatGPT support if you ever run into issues with your account, billing, or usage. Let's get started. So first, log into your account at chat.openai.com. Once you're inside, scroll down and click help, or just go directly to help.openai.com. That'll open the help center. Now, the Help Center has tons of articles on login problems, billing, subscriptions, API keys, and the mobile app. It's worth searching there first because honestly, most issues can be solved right away. But if that doesn't work, look for the little chat bubble in the bottom right corner. That's the support widget. Click it, type in your question, and you'll either get automated guidance or the option to contact a real support agent. You can also scroll down and click Submit a Request. This opens a support form where you'll enter your email, pick the category like billing or account access, write a description of the problem, and attach screenshots if you have them. Then hit Submit. If you're on the ChatGPT mobile app, just tap your profile picture in the top right, select Help, and you'll be taken to the same Help Center. From there, you can read articles or send a support request. ChatGPT support usually replies by email. The response time can vary, but if you're a Plus subscriber, you often get faster responses. Always check the inbox of the email tied to your account. And that's really it. To recap quickly, go to the Help Center, search articles, use the chat widget, submit a request, and wait for the email reply. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.